foodie destination. Let's talk about two restaurants that are going to add even more excitement to the downtown dining scene. First up, we have Anjin, and let me tell you, this concept has foodies buzzing. It's coming from the owners of the Antler Room, one of Kansas City's most celebrated restaurants, and it's bringing Japanese izakaya culture right to the crossroads. The space is small, just 20 seats, but that's the charm. Picture a U-shaped bar surrounding an open kitchen where you can watch everything being made, from handmade udon noodles to yakitori skewers. And with a sake program that promises to be next level, it's going to be one of those places where every visit feels like a special experience. Then we have 1587 Prime, a 10,000 square foot two-story steakhouse opening in the Lowe's Hotel downtown. This one's backed by Patrick Mahomes and Travis Kelce, which makes it hard not to get excited. The design is sleek and modern, and the location could not be better. Street level access will bring so much energy to the area, and those private dining rooms, perfect for everything from business dinners to celebrations, maybe even Super Bowl celebrations. These two restaurants are so different, but what makes downtown dining so exciting right now? Together, they're continuing to reshape the way people think about Kansas City as a place to live, work, and, of course, eat. From incredible new dining spots that are drawing people into the heart of the city to the infrastructure projects that are reshaping how we move through it, Kansas City's downtown is evolving on every level. And one of the biggest drivers of this transformation has been the streetcar. The KC streetcar has been nothing short of a magnet for development. Downtown, we've seen this ripple effect where one project leads to another and suddenly entire blocks are being transformed. Now, with the Main Street extension heading south to the plaza, we're starting to see that same kind of momentum spreading out of downtown and into Midtown. This 3.5-mile southern extension, which just started testing 33 months after breaking ground, is set to be operational later this year. And when it's fully up and running, I have no doubt we'll see similar patterns of growth, restaurants, retail, and residential projects clustering around these stops, creating vibrant hubs all along the route. Meanwhile, the much shorter northern extension to the Berkeley riverfront is feeding into all of the exciting development happening there. At just 0.7 miles, this connection may seem small, but it's a game changer for an area that's already seen massive investment. And I cannot tell you how excited I am about this. We're watching a 45-acre site transform from what was essentially an industrial wasteland into one of the most vibrant urban villages in Kansas City. Not that long ago, Berkeley Riverfront was literally a landfill. Fast forward to today, and we've got a stunning CPKC stadium anchoring the development. It's home to the KC Current and has brought a whole new energy to the area. Every time I drive by, there's something new going up. It's amazing how quickly it's all coming together. One of the newest additions is the Origin Hotel, which just opened and offers incredible views of both the river and downtown. Right next door, the Union Apartments have introduced a level of riverfront living that Kansas City hasn't seen before. And then we have two birds, one stone, the project that's currently underway that's going to provide a microbrewery and wine bar to the riverfront. And that's just the beginning. In early 2024, developers outlined plans for the next phase of Berkeley Riverfront's growth, a $1 billion mixed-use project that will add more than 2 million square feet of urban amenities over the next decade. Phase 1, which just broke ground, will add at least 480 new apartments and dozens of new commercial spaces featuring retail stores, restaurants, and entertainment venues. If this were here when I was in my 20s, I would 100% be living here. This area is shaping up to be one of the most exciting and dynamic districts in the city. Berkeley Riverfront is no longer just a vision, it's becoming a reality, and I can't wait to see what's next. Speaking of districts getting a major facelift, 18th and Vine is absolutely buzzing with activity right now. We're talking about the biggest transformation this area has seen since the Jazz Age glory days, and what's so exciting is how all these projects are coming together to honor the district's history while building something fresh and vibrant for the future. Of course, we have to talk about the Parade Park Homes redevelopment, a $400 million project that's going to bring over 1,000 new residences to the area. They're not just throwing up apartments either. This is about creating a real community. You'll have a mix of affordable and market rate housing, senior living options, and even some for sale townhomes. But Parade Park is just one part of what's happening here. The proposed 18th Street